Hello and welcome back to our channel Howlogical. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log in Netflix on PC. Now to get logged in to your account on PC, firstly open up the Netflix application. If you don't have this application on your PC, you can download it from Microsoft Store. Now if you want to get logged in to Netflix through your web browser, open up any web browser on your PC and there search for netflix.com. The homepage of Netflix is same on your web browser and your application. So from the homepage of the Netflix, tap on sign in button at the top right. And once you tap on sign in button, login page will appear on your screen. Now type in your email address associated with Netflix and then type in your password of Netflix account. Now if you want to confirm your password before moving on, you can tap on I icon. Now if you're done with filling your credentials, tap on sign in button to get logged in to Netflix account. Now here you can see you have successfully logged in to your Netflix account on PC. Now you can watch and enjoy Netflix on your PC. If this video helped you, then subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, then don't forget to turn on the notification in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.